So it was 106 today, which means I picked a good time to be sick and off, taking some time off. But something showed up today, and I'm pretty excited about it. Here's the first look. This is the Pioneer 12,000 BTU mini split inverter air conditioner. This would be the head unit. This is the under the basement unit. So, be getting that installed hopefully next week. I'm going to go ahead and load it up under the basement here. Keep it out of the weather in case it decides to rain or anything. But it's here, which means we can start working on that. Because if I can get some air conditioner going up in this thing, it'll make things a lot more comfortable inside to work in this heat. Got her put in her little spot. That's where it's going to sit. That's where it'll be mounted. Fits perfectly. Fits perfectly. Except for that part. There we go. Just need to be scooted back a little bit. That's all. Boom. Viola. There we go. Want to flip it sideways and set it down? Okay, there we go. Guess what day it is? It's air conditioner day. Is it the remote? Yep, that's the remote.
All the pieces right here.
Okay. And so that's the power cord. Hopefully that's long enough. It looks like it should be. Head unit. This is the Pioneer, in case anybody wanted to know. Tape on there? Oh yeah. Oh, I don't have my knife. Ooh, strong man. Don't weigh much.
Do you have your, no, I'm just really strong.
Oh.
Do you have,
Here.
Oh, gotcha. It's empty.
Yep, it's empty. It's gonna kind of go. That's great. Okay, that shit's coming out today. Something else going on here. Centered.
I said we, oh, you need it. I see we gotta use it. Because these just hangs on there.
Yep.
So you just need to shoot 2 screws in there basically and stick it on here.
Yep. Well, this thing should come out, I think.
Is there something that goes up in the grabs over and just leaves it? So let me look at the pieces.
Yeah, there should be a thing that hangs on the wall. So these lift up, and that's actually just bolted onto the wall. And this just hangs in there. Yep.
Just do the, what do we gotta do to hook up the power?
We've got to just hang that on the wall and be done with it.
That's what I'm saying. Why do you all that?
What's the template for? I guess you can drill your holes and stuff. Let's find out. Let's find out. Kicks off of this side.
Reading instructions and such.
Yeah. just flip up? Is that all it does, or does it come out?
Shit, that's all it does.
There you go.
Right through here. Those are spinning Z's, so I'm just gonna go up through
Alright.
the hallway.
So black, white, yellow, green. Alright. As long as the outside unit is black, white, yellow, green, we're good to go. I'm gonna put this thing on. The brackety thing. Alright, we're gonna go out here and take a peek at the outside unit. Pull it out.
Oh, we got a filming.
Yep.
Okay. Joint it.
Let's see if I can. Anywhere to grab onto it. Good grief.
Does this have to connect to your other unit?
Yes. That's why you gotta run the holes.
Is this a double? Are there two lines?
Yes. One's for heat, maybe? I don't know.
Drill the holes and see if it's gonna fit.
Yeah, see if it's gonna be long enough. Is that soon? Like 16 feet?
No. Possibly.
Well, this is 40, so I guess it is about 16 feet.
Okay.
We probably am going to have to pull that refrigerator out because we're going to have to make connections behind there, I'm sure.
And that's the only way to get up through there.
Hi, Kevin. Started telling people this was in my project list, and they were all like, "Holy crap! We gotta know what happens." All right, that thing ain't coming down now. Pretty high, I guess. Oh, there we go. Is it? Now it locks in. Lock? No. Just like a little bit of window in the way. No. Yeah. See if I can just prod these out a little bit. Just a smidge. Let's try that. I'm in. Are you in? There you go. We're in. You want to use my glasses?
You want to go grab it?
Here, try these.
Unless you want to do this. See? Look at that shit.
What do you know?
I'm ready for a call. I had these little, some that just clipped,
Yeah.
and I lost them, those little magnet ones. Cool.
So while Kevin's out there connecting the electrical, I'll bring you in here and show you this real quick. It's been a quick process. It's not quite what I was looking for, but probably the only way we were going to get it done is to just jump out here and do it. So there she is in there, hiding behind the cabinet. Hopefully gonna pull this place off pretty good. Hopefully. It's a quick jump from installing an air conditioner to 2 days later at 9 o'clock at night. We had a big party for our 25th anniversary, and that's what took up the last couple days. As soon as we finished getting the air conditioner done, we jumped into other projects that needed to be done and got those ready and completed before the party. We had a lot of people here to support us, which was amazing. Starting tomorrow, we've got Tropical Storm Nicholas bearing down on us, looking like it's going to make more of a direct hit than they had originally anticipated. So we're going to get a lot of rain, which means I'm probably going to be out here making sure there's nothing leaking, making sure we don't have any water dripping anywhere. I'll show you the air conditioner and the setup when we get back in here, probably tomorrow. See you then. Good night, everybody. Good morning, everyone. We are in the bus this morning, trying to get things ready for Nicholas, Tropical Storm Nicholas, which apparently we're going to take a direct hit from. Not expecting much other than rain, so just wanted to make sure everything was sealed up out here and done. But my AC guy just left, and he vacuumed down my system, my mini split. I swapped the breakers, which I've been looking to do for a bit, because the breaker that I have it on was a GFI breaker, and I have read that these won't run on a GFI outlet, so I'm pretty sure it probably won't run on a GFI breaker either. So I swapped breakers, put a regular 20 amp breaker in, and swapped the GFI breaker to a different location, and now we're going to turn it on. So I've got my little controller on the wall over here where the old thermostat used to be. I gotta put my glasses on for this. Oh, they're hanging on my shirt. Alright, so here we go. So this is my temporary solution. So I'll end up pushing this into the corner and probably creating a little decorative box to cover that. I got talked into leaving these exposed just in case we have an issue, and then I'll come back in and tape all this up and get it all cleaned up. But if we do have a leak or some sort of issue, the connections are easy to get to. I was going to stick them behind the refrigerator, but I got talked out of that, and that's probably smart, so it won't be bad to have that done there. But all right, without further ado, here we go. What do we hit? Looks like maybe the power button. 65 will work. It came on. That's a good sign. I don't think that was open before. Oh, I feel air. Oh, I feel air. What if I do turbo? Turbo. 61. Okay, turns it down to, oh, the air is cool. It works. It works. It works. Okay, that's amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Holy cow, I'm excited. All right. I am turbo excited. You want to go see the outside part? I'll show you what I did out there. It's not mounted yet. It's not complete yet either. This is all just, this bus isn't moving anywhere anytime soon. And it will be nice to have air conditioner inside this thing. So let's go check over here. So here's my outside unit. It will be oh, I haven't run my drains either yet, have I? Oh, it's on the other side. Okay. So the bottom is going to be cut out of this floor, and there will be, I'll have some steel bars welded in here for the feet, and then I've got this nice cattle rubber that I'll mount it on. But listen to how quiet that is. Really, you can't even hear it. You can feel the heat coming off of it, but you just can't hear that thing. That's amazing. All right, let's go pull the drain out. Make sure the condensate is draining in the proper location. But it works. I'm super excited. Super duper excited. I'm sorry I didn't get any more of the install. It was a very quick and unexpected install, in that my wife decided that while our friends were here, we should probably go ahead and do it, since they're better at that kind of stuff than I am. And I'm kind of glad she did, because it's done now. I mean, it's up. It is mechanically installed. It is physically installed, and it works properly. So I can go through and do all the cleanup myself. Just get it all tidied up. But oh my god, it's even cooler in here already. This is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. Ooh, that's cold air coming out of there. That is super cold air coming out of there.